Hello friend, today we have discussed about what is difference between Python and the Java language. It is the very important topic as point of view interview and as the point of view academic examination. So let's we understand what is different between Python and Java language. So without any disturbance, let's start the video. There is first topic is compilation process. Java is the both compiled and interpreted language, and source code is first compiled and converted to bytecode, and afterward it depends on the JIM whether the bytecode will be collected or interpreted. In the Java language, first it is compiled the source code first and convert it the bytecode, and afterward it depends on the JIM whether the bytecode will be collected or interpreted. In the Python language, Python is an interpreted language. It is compiled and executed simultaneously, line by line. The second topic is length of code. The length of code of Java programs is more as compared to that of Python, as every program has to be written in class, and in the Python language, Python has shorter line of code as you directly write the code and it gets interpreted. Let's we see the example. Here we see the example. For example, to write a hello world program, the code is public class hello world, public static void main, parenthesis, string, square brackets, args, parenthesis close, curly braces open, system dot out dot println, curly parenthesis open, double inverted comma, hello comma world, double inverted comma close, parenthesis close, semicolon, curly braces close, curly braces close. And in the Python language, only we write print, parenthesis open, and hello comma world, parenthesis close. Let's we see the third topic is complexity of syntax. In the Java language, Java is the statically typed programming language. There are the hardcore rules for braces and semicolon. And the other is in the Python language, Python is a dynamic typed, and there are no hardcore rules for semicolon and braces. It works on indentation. And next topic is easy to typing. Easy to typing. Strongly typed, need to define exact type of variable. And in the Python language, dynamically typed, no need to define to exact type of variable. Here we see the next topic, speed. Java is faster as compared to Python, and another the Python is relatively slow as it is interpreted language. And the next topic is uses. It has been in trend for a long time and widely used in Android application development, embedded system, and web application. And the Python is used for data science and machine learning are made very simple using Python. Also, it is being used for web development. And here the most valuable topic is security. in the Java language required additional configuration for high security, and in the Python language highly secure and optimal for data and data sensitive apps. I hope you understand what is difference between Java and Python language. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.